And what about when you are installing something legitimate? Any advice there from the
Oh
sources?
yeah, definitely. Pay attention during the installation process. Don't just fly through clicking next.
Read the small print.
Well, at least scan the license agreements. Sometimes extra software or like monitoring tools are bundled in, mention only there. Look at each screen. Uncheck boxes for extra stuff you didn't ask for. You're the gatekeeper.
Which leads nicely to another core piece of advice from these sources. If you're unsure about
Just
something,
get rid of it. When in doubt, throw it out.
yeah,
It's simple, but so important. If an email, a link, a download feels even slightly off, bad spelling, weird sender, unexpected attachment, just delete it.
don't let curiosity win.
Right. Attackers count on you being busy or curious. A little bit of caution saves a lot of trouble.
Okay, so let's pull this all together, this layered defense. What does it really mean day to day?
It means you need ongoing vigilance. It's a mix of technical stuff, keeping software updated, using smart settings, and cautious habits online, scrutinizing links, being careful with downloads. It's not a one-off job,
Because the landscape keeps shifting, new threats pop up all the time.
constantly evolving. So staying informed and applying these layers, that's really the key takeaway.
It makes you think, though. With everything so connected now, phones, computers, smart homes, the sources raise a really interesting point. How does protecting just one of your devices actually affect the security of everything else you own? It's quite a ripple effect to consider.